Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device. And since you are logged in, you will directly be taken into your homepage, from which you can look at the various products and start shopping right away. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, just tap on the account option at the bottom section and you will now see your user ID at the top. Just click on the drop-down menu alongside your username. When you tap on this button, you will see the sign out button at the very end, which you can click on, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your account. Tap on the sign out button once again to confirm your decision. And now this will log you out from your account on Amazon shopping right away, and you will end back within the login page. If you wish to log in the future once again, you can use the sign in button, or you can tap on skip sign in order to browse through the items without logging into your account. There you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.